Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your YouTube videos to Microsoft Teams meeting. So at first, just go to your browser and make sure you have the YouTube video set. And after that, what you have to do is just go ahead and go to your meeting. Just join any of the meeting you have. Just click on join now, and then you'll be introduced to this page. From here, to share your YouTube videos on stream, what you have to do is click here over on share. From here, you can either share the entire screen or share a specific window. We'll click on window. And if you do that, we'll see our browser over here. As you can see, the browser is playing the YouTube video. We'll just select this. But before that, make sure to click on include sound. Just turn this on. This is going to make sure we have sound for our video. Then just click on the video. And there you go. The video is being streamed on our Microsoft Teams. And basically that is it. If you want to stop the stream, just click on stop stream at the top of the screen and our stream will be stopped. And basically that is how to stream YouTube videos on Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.